guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but I have come up with a great video. I know a lot of you are beginners and do struggle to know which brush to use and which not. In today's video, I am going to help you guys with that issue. So I have recently received this package from Gubb. First of all, I loved how the package looks. It looks so luxurious, and I'm going to review their makeup brushes for you guys. So they have a set of 8 brushes, and they also have a pamphlet which very well describes which brush to use when and how to use it. They have 8 set of brushes, but as much as I can see, you can multi-use them. So they are easily washable, promises least wastage, durable, made in such a way that they are hypoallergenic and 100% cruelty free. I'm going to give you a small demo of this makeup look using all these brushes and give you a small review as well. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notification every time I upload a new video. So now let's get started. These brushes are enough to create any makeup look. Total of 8 brushes. This is powder brush, blush brush, foundation brush, eyeshadow brush, flat eyeshadow brush, a spoolie, lipstick brush and an angular brush. First I'm going to use a foundation brush. So it's a flat foundation brush. The application of the product is super easy. And now I'm going to apply some powder. Here's the powder brush. I love how tight the bristles are. It won't shed. Next I'm going to use their blush brush. I feel this brush is multi-purpose brush. You can apply blush with it, and along with that, as it is a bit angular, I can use this to apply contour as well. So I can use it as a blush brush and a contour brush. First I'm going to apply some contour on my face. And now with the same brush, I'm going to apply some blush. So it's super easy to use and it looks and feels so premium. Next, let's move on to eyebrows. For this I'm going to use, so this is their spoolie brush, and they also have an angular brush. So I'm just going to comb off with the spoolie and now use the angular brush to fill in the gaps. Quality of the brushes feels so luxurious. Now let's move on to eyes. I'm doing a very simple eye makeup look today. For that I'm going to use eyeshadow blending brush. Now how easily the product is getting deposited, and it's super easy to blend as well. So blending brush is amazing, and I love how just by blending it once, everything is looking set. Now I'm going to move on. I'm going to use a flat brush. They have a flat brush and a blending brush. So now I'm going to use this flat brush to apply some gold on my eyes. It's super easy to deposit product with a flat brush, and I loved how just by doing it once, it's done. Just blending everything in. I'm going to multi-use another brush of theirs. So this angular brush which I use for my eyebrows. Now I'm going to use this to apply a very light liner. Go really close to my lash line. So you can use this angular brush to create a nice winged liner or for your eyebrows. So before moving on to lipstick, we need to apply highlighter, and to apply highlighter I'm going to use this fluffy eyeshadow blending brush. So this one is huge enough, it can be used to apply highlighter as well. So I love how these brushes are so multi-purpose and can be used again and again. So now as we are done with the highlighter, we'll move on to lipstick. Here's the lipstick brush. So as it's so fine, I will just draw an outline to my lips. And we are done. So here's the final look. I have used only these 8 brushes to do this whole makeup look, and I feel if you're a beginner, you should totally go for this set of brushes because this is enough for you. You won't need more brushes, and in one go you'll have a complete set. I would suggest you to go for it, not only just because they have a complete set of brushes, but also because these brushes are amazing. They were super easy to apply. They had super soft, luxurious bristles which were super tight, so it won't even shed out. It is not only good for beginners but also for professional use as well. So as per me, if you're looking out for some makeup brushes, then you should definitely go and check out the set of brushes. I'll be putting up all the links in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video and this video was helpful. And if you did like my review, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel. So see you next time. Bye.